Hello, welcome to this short series on the recitation of Bhagavad Gītā chapter 3. So in this series there are 4 videos in which we recite the verse of the Gita, call and response, in 8 syllables at a time. So splitting each verse into its 4 sections of 8 syllables. And I'll recite each of those 8 syllable sections 3 times. So it gives you the chance to listen, perhaps the first time, and perhaps watch the lips, and then recite along twice more, or just join in as you get more comfortable. And then in the 5th video of that recitation section is just the chapter recited all the way through. That's a kind of recite along video. But before that, I just wanted to do a little introduction on the Sanskrit alphabet. So there is this sheet that I made one time for a Bhagavad Gītā chapter 2 course, in which we were reciting the verse of the chapter 2. I will try to attach a PDF in the description below. I'll do my best to do that. So we'll just go through the sounds of Sanskrit. I must mention as well, there is one additional vowel sound that's not on this sheet. I didn't put it on the sheet because it doesn't occur in the chapter of the Gita that I made this sheet for. It's the L and R sound, which comes after the R. So even though it's not on the sheet, we're going to recite it, we're going to practice it. So here I'm going to say one sound or 2 sounds, and then we'll repeat them together twice. So for the R, the tongue comes to the roof of the mouth. It's called murdanya in Sanskrit. The tongue touches the palate, like curls back and touches the palate. R, 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 R. Then the sound that's not on the sheet, L, R, L, R, L, R. E, I, O, ow, Coming to the consonants now. Now, the consonants, there is alpa prana and maha prana, the unaspirated and the aspirated sound. So, for example, k, k. K, if you put the hand in front of the mouth, you don't feel much breath. K, but then the second one, the aspirate sound, the maha prana sound, k. There's a little bit of explosion of breath on the hand. So, k, 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 g, k, g, k, g, k, ch, 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 j, ch, j, ch, j, j, nya, nya, nya. Then the cerebral sounds, the murdanya. So the tongue comes towards the roof of the mouth. Ta, 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 da, ta, da, ta, da, ta, na, na, na. The dental sounds now. The tongue comes all the way to the back of the teeth, or maybe even just protruding between the teeth. Ta, 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 da, ta, da, ta, da, ta, na, na, na. The labial sounds on the lips now. Pa, 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 pa. Excuse me. Ba, pa, ba, pa, ba, pa. Ma, ma, ma. Now the semi-vowels, ya, 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 ra, 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 la, 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 ra, ra, ra. We'll do those 4 together now. So from ya, ra, la, ra. Yaraloa, yaraloa, yaraloa. Now the sibilant sounds, we have sh, 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 then the tongue to the top of the mouth, sh, 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 and then the tongue to the teeth, sa, sa, sa. Let's try the 3 in a row. Sh, sh, sa, sh, sh, sa, sh, sh, sa, ha, ha, ha. And then the special consonant clusters. Nya, nya, nya. Ksha, ksha, ksha. And those are the sounds of Sanskrit.